It doesn't charge while you're recording. It kind of sucks.
That does suck.
Oh, Eric's here. He almost ran home from my RC park.
I was hoping it would charge, but at least I could stop recording.
I'm so sorry. My tummy does not
Fart
feel
on his
good.
car?
No.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm sorry. I am sorry. Don't go over there. Eric, don't tell Eric.
Don't tell Eric.
Poor Eric.
But anyways, if we get to a pausing point, I can stop recording and let it charge. It's already plugged in.
Is it recording?
Yeah. It recorded that too.
Nice. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh yeah. What's up, bro?
Hey, I almost ran over my RC car. That's nice.
Were you out in the street?
Keep it out of the fucking street.
Yeah. Stupid.
Hey, Justin, whose grandma's here now?
Grandma's right there.
Oh.
I shit my pants.
Yeah.
It's like, whose fucking grandma's here? Oh, wait, that's a Patriot.
All-wheel drive, bro. It's got way more room.
Well, no, Pop will pull you over because now you look like your grandma.
Yeah, it's so fun.
Yeah. Well, he went from a lady car to a grandma car.
It's time you're gonna call it from
He says hi to me.
I know.
Almost hit by her shoulder.
Oh, is it this one? What'd you do?
Got shot. It's still fucking. No, I'm serious, dude. It's fucking.
You got like shot or a little
Boosh! T-dap shot.
That's the thick needle one.
Dude, I was sick for a whole day.
This guy's got fucking tattoos everywhere.
Hell yeah, you know what I told the doctor? She's like, are you okay with these needles? I was like, I'm not okay with those, but I'm okay with these.
Yeah, I
She's
know.
like, yeah, that's every tattoo person I think.
Yeah. They wrote that attachment never sent.
Aw.
It just says Nathan Boyle sent an attachment.
Like the gloves on or what?
Yeah. This guy needs something in my head needs a lot of Hey, what year is that Toyota?
I think it was an 02. I think. It was a 4Runner.
Engine.
Engine.
Oh,
shit.
Well,
I'm gonna have to have you bend over and drop. I'm not hearing you talking.
Oh.
Gay! Gay! Jesus.
just imagine the people watching this video right now. Well, after.
What video? You got bloopers. Me farting and doing this.
That's why there's a such thing as editing.
At some point here. No, the guy's on his way to Carson right now. He lives. We got Cold Springs. You know Cold Springs is?
Yes.
Yeah, he lives like on the very furthest spot. Cold Springs.
So why didn't you go?
It's up.
Which one is it? How do I do it?
So, I was looking at it because you got weird things in the way. We're going to try to go at an angle from over here because there's an opening. It's probably this one or the one right below. This one right below. Maybe that one. See how there's an opening? Lit. don't give you much room with the fucking. You should go through it. That would slip in, and it's gonna spread teeth so it can slip off. Oh my fucking leg.
What do either of you fellas like in beverages?
We just got some new beverages. Some Cayman Jacks, but there's flavors in it. There's Moscow Mule.
What do either of you like?
Bringing a coffee right now, man.
Big beef trucks and fucking alcohol.
You're welcome. This is the right side. We should cheat. I'm sorry. Technically, we didn't need to buy these. Motherfucker! Having two hands would help because it helps pushing forward and then pulling out. Normally you'd have enough room to slip this on and push it in. It's super easy. You barely push this in and it slips right off.
Well, we got fuel line disconnected now. Pull up picks.
Or
That battery disconnected from that just so it's a little less than that's not gonna work.
there's one right here. I thought this was the marking he was going for. I thought. Yeah, but you have two. The double of what he was. Are you spreading? What'd you get?
Man.
What is the Sonoma?
Pomegranate with agave.
That sounds good. Perfect. Can you see the tabs? No? You like that? Okay.
Ah.
I'm gonna put a 2-inch lift on it. Some beef tires. Not as beefy as this.
Yeah, on Monday, if you could find out about a
Yes.
4Runner for me, and if it's something that's like you would consider buying, then we can make it happen. I'll make it happen.
Yeah.
Just kind of scared about the mileage, but whatever.
That'll go.
And that's 4-wheel drive, right?
Yes, it is.
Sweet.
Jason is at his shop.
Hey,
It is? Right now?
Yeah.
God damn it.
hey, you need to slap Jason's tires on that bitch and see what it looks like.
Those would never fit.
That Jeep look mean as fuck.
Yeah. I think you're right.
But you gotta go get your parts.
Yeah, just like the double was aimed up. It looked like
3 hours later.
Oh yeah. Shake, shake, shake.
That sounds like a fun night.
Shake, shake, shake.
God, no, but
Splash.
Unless I remember, this is the top hose. This is the top.
It's easy.
Gary has the part in front. It was on Miata, Joe's Miata. He put the hoses in the wrong. One's fuel, one's feed, one's return.
speaking of, wait, I don't think you said Gary, but how was that goofy fuck?
Pretty good. He lives out in Fernley. He works at Dodge in Fernley.
Joey.
I said Joey as well. Gary worked on Joey.
Oh, you both are going?
Yeah, I'm a two-person.
Yeah, I think it's always on the bar.
Not alcohol on vehicle.
Did it yesterday?
I did it 3 days ago.
No, well then fuck it, alright, yeah, let's go.
I'm driving, of course.
Oh, I'm no, cause he won't let me drive anymore, so I'm passenger bitch all the time.